Hello everyone. I am Avatar AI for Frank Liu, the top agent from Silicon Valley Results team of Alliance Bay Realty. Today we will tour San Jose Tract at Berryessa Crossing, developed by KB Home in 2014. Over here we see the rendering of exterior of building. KB Home built 242 for sale residential homes, located on the north side of the flea market, bordering Berryessa Road in San Jose, including single-family homes and townhouses. Berryessa Crossing consists of 242 homes of townhomes and single-family residences. It is divided into 3 communities. The town, 2 3-bedrooms townhomes, starting in mid-500 KS. The residences, 3 4-bedrooms 3-story single-family homes, starting at high 600 KS. And the North Village, 3 5-bedroom 2-story single-family homes in the 800 KS. Super convenient location. Just bike ride or stroll to grocery stores, H-Mart, Ranch 99, Costco, Sprouts, restaurants, coffee and milk tea shops, gyms. Walk to BART station. Short walk to Townsend Park with playground and tennis court. Super close to an Market Park Shopping Plaza, Inkler, Safeway, and an approved new 3.6 acres park. The community is divided into 3 distinct neighborhoods. The town, featuring 2 3-bedroom townhomes. The residences, offering 3 4-bedroom, 3-story single-family homes. And the North Village, featuring 3 5-bedroom, 2-story single-family homes. Some single-family homes do not have a homeowner association fee, while others have a low fee. The homeowner association fee for some single-family homes and townhouses is around $195 per month, which covers common area electricity, exterior painting, insurance for common areas, common area maintenance, reserves, and roof maintenance. Over here is one of the floor plans. Here is another plan. Let's take a look at the site map. Here is the chart to demonstrate the latest comps in the tracts. The average home price in this tracts is around $800 per square feet. Thank you for watching. This is Frank Liu with Silicon Valley Results team. If you're interested in buying or selling in this community, please feel free to email me at frank.liu1268@gmail.com or call me at 408-828-06600. Thank you.